Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a fully functional Android app with no coding, no designing, and no drag-and-drop builders. All you have to do is type a simple prompt. Sounds crazy? Let me show you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, the tool we're using is called Jotform AI App Generator. It's a free tool that turns plain English into working mobile apps. You just describe your app idea, and the AI does all the heavy lifting, building the structure, layout, and even adding buttons and forms. Let's jump in and try it out. All right. Go to jotform.com/AI/appgenerator. This is where the magic happens. Here's the input box. I'll type in something you like. Example for this video, I'm typing a task management app where users can add tasks, mark them complete, and get email reminders. And click on Create App. And now let's wait a few seconds. While the app gets creating, please like this video and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. And boom, here's our app. You can also customize everything, like changing the app icon, color theme, and layout. Want to rename something? Just click and edit. Let's preview it as a mobile app. And yes, it works on phones and desktops. And yes, it looks clean and smooth. The app already includes a form for adding tasks, it's mobile responsive, and has a preview right here. Click on the settings bar to change app name, icon, and to add splash screen and many more. Click Publish, and Jotform gives you a shareable app link instantly. You can add this to your home screen like any regular Android app. This is perfect for freelancers who want to build simple client apps, small businesses needing quick forms or customer portals, students, creators, or just about anyone with an idea. It may not replace full app development, but it's an amazing starting point. And the best part? You don't have to write a single line of code. So that's how you can build your own Android app in just minutes, using a single prompt and a little AI magic. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with what kind of app you'd build, and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.